Hi there, Jerry Capasso with Moen.
Hi, Cindy.
You're all about showers.
Yes, I am.
And I'm happy to hear that you take a shower every day.
Absolutely. And I always use Moen shower products.
Of course. So tell us what's new this year for Moen, what's cool and happening.
What's really cool is our Mosaic flush mount body sprays, where we've taken our single function that we launched a number of years ago and won an award for it. We've integrated multifunction within that same framework, where you can mix and match single function, multifunction, really customize your shower to your preference. The beauty of it is these body sprays are totally interchangeable with one another. So if you had an existing installation, you can actually upgrade from in front of the wall on your own to the new flush mount with multifunction.
All right, can you please show us?
Let me show you how it works.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn it on using our IO digital valve system, which is really high-tech in the way of giving you the most options of choice of functions, temperature, pressure, to your preference. If you think about your favorite radio station, you push a button on the car for yourself, you can push another radio button on this and get a different function instead of settings.
Great.
So let's turn on the body sprays to start with. So you can see from the layout, we have the single function on the bottom, the multi-function on top. And we'll have the one on the left demonstrated where you can easily switch between modes to go from full spray to a massage.
Oh, that's what we're talking about.
So this is the first true flush mount with multi-function on the marketplace. So it's a nice innovative product from Moen that we're introducing in this year's kitchen and bath show.
Great.
So let me tell you a little bit more about IO Digital. As you saw before with the push of a button, we turned on the body sprays. You can push another button and turn on your favorite hand shower. You can have a shower head. And at any point you can turn any of those devices on or off. And with the system, you can have your own favorite settings of temperature. You'll see the indicator changing from more less red to more blue. Cool off, as well as your volume control.
And what's happening with the volume?
It's actually at max volume. Now I'm turning it down so you can see I reduced the volume of water so I can save water at the same time.
Oh. So we can still have a rainforest quality shower that you can use in the kitchen now.
Absolutely. This valve also comes with a pause mode, so you want to be real eco-friendly. So you're shaving your legs, you can turn off the water, put in pause mode, it holds all your settings, finish your shaving, push the button, you're back on to exactly where you left off.
You're not shaving your legs these days, are you?
No, only when I race.
I get what you're talking about.
Okay. It's simple, push a button, and
Yeah.
that's all.
Love it. Just that easy.
It's that